Hello everyone, it's been 2 months and it feels like it's been 6, so it's been a challenging time. Welcome to the devlog for EliteMobs 7.3.0. The main theme of the 7.3 update is the arena, and this is the first update which introduces a feature which will be very heavily linked to it, the new item system. Before you ask, this update will not reset any progression, nor do you need to do anything specific for it to work. As you will see in a minute, all this does is expand the EliteMobs item system. The 7.3.0 update introduces a few new concepts to EliteMobs: Elite Scrap, Elite Item Upgrade Orbs, and Unbind Scrolls. Before we start, I need to point out that an updated version of the Adventurers Guild Hub is now out. This new version features a larger arena for the arena update, as well as a new underground area under the main building for all the new and upcoming NPCs. This update to the Adventurers Guild was brought to you by Pepis. The original map was created by Realm of Lithiridan. The new NPCs for this version are placed in the new area, so if you want to use them correctly, you will need to update a new map. Let us start with the most highly requested feature of all time, the Item Unbind Scroll. This scroll, when used at the Unbinder NPC, can unbind any elite item. It can only be used once per item and currently does not appear naturally anywhere in game, meaning that the players must be given the scroll directly. Throughout this and the next month, I will be working on the next lair, a massive multi-phased battle against an Ender Dragon boss. Killing this boss will have a very small chance of looting the scroll, and for a while this will be the only way of looting it, meaning that the item will be vanishingly rare. I am currently accepting testers for the dragon fight on Patreon, and the lair will be premium for the first 2 months after being completed before becoming completely free for anyone to install. On a final note with regards to the Unbind Scroll, I recommend handing it out as rare rewards for server events for the time being, as that is what I will be doing on my own network. Moving on to the heart of the update, Elite Scrap. All elite items can now be scrapped at the Scrapper, one of the new NPCs. There is a 50% chance that items will be scrapped successfully, creating elite scrap of the same level as the item scrapped. Elite scrap can be used for a lot of things. The simplest thing you can use it for is repairing elite items at the repairman. Items will be repaired for 1 durability per item level, meaning that a single level 100 scrap will restore 100 durability to an elite item. Elite scrap can also be upgraded to higher level elite scrap for a cost of 10 scrap. That means that if you have 10 level 80 scrap, you can talk to the refiner and trade it for 1 level 81 scrap. Finally, if you have 25 elite scrap of a specific level, you can talk to the smelter to create 1 elite item upgrade orb of the same level. This item upgrade orb can then be combined with an item at the Enhancer NPC to upgrade the item by 1 level, up to the level of the elite item upgrade orb. This means that if you have a level 100 item upgrade orb and combine it with a level 90 elite sword, you will be able to upgrade the sword to level 91. If your sword is level 100 and your item upgrade orb is level 100, you will not be able to upgrade your sword. All in all, this is a costly but useful way of upgrading and reusing loot that your players already have. Additionally, Elite Scrap and Elite Item Upgrade Orbs will be handed out as rewards for quests and arena challenges, as well as potentially some of the boss fights in a future update, which should spice the progression path up. Beyond this new item system, its NPCs, and updated Adventurers Guild map, this update also introduces 4 new powers which are used in the new Oasis adventure. By far the largest EliteMobs map ever created, with nearly 800 bosses ranging from levels 2 to 50. And that's everything. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the plugin if you are a supporter on Patreon, or if you bought the adventure maps or any other dungeons on itch.io. This build came out a bit delayed compared to what I wanted to do, but I've got a lot of work recently, and also I've been learning Japanese, which is actually very time consuming as it turns out, and very exhausting. But I will be working on EliteMobs very intensively over the coming days, and I hope that we will be able to play around with the Binder of Worlds very, very soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Matane.